Who will go pick first?
Whoever says not at first, that gets to the
Okay.
Not it. Oh, Abu, me.
Abo, close your eyes. Okay, you choose your poison candy. Okay. Abu, yeah. Your turn. No, Abu, you need to know where's your poison candy. So you have to know. You choose your own.
Okay.
Emilia, do not look.
Okay.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Safe? Is it safe? Safe? Safe, Abu. Next. No na, you have to, get your own chocolate na.
Yeah.
Okay. Close your eyes.
No, you don't have to
No more close eyes.
No more close eyes. You get to look now.
Yeah.
I'll choose my chocolate.
Yeah, you eat your chocolate. Yeah, you choose. Make sure that you will not pick the poison candy.
You will be eliminated if you pick it.
Okay, I'll get candy. Get it, Abu. Okay. Is Abu safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Your turn. Okay. Abu, is Emilia safe? She didn't eat your poison candy?
No.
Okay. Your turn. Your turn. Si Abu.
No, not mine.
Okay. Safe?
Yeah, safe.
Okay. Next. Okay. Is she safe, Abu? Okay. Your turn, Abu. Safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Your turn. Okay.
My turn.
Yeah. You eat your boy. You eat.
You also.
You will eat. Oh no. Poison one.
You're talo, Abu. No, that's Emilia's poison candy.
This is the poison candy.
You won.
Ito, now.
That's Abu's poison candy naman.
But you won. You won.